Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can refill all detergents in the BOSCH dishwasher SMV. So we're gonna start from the salt storage. It's located inside your appliance on the left side. You have to remove the cover, turn it to the left side, put accessory inside and refill it with the salt to the max level, then close the cover, and now we can go to the rinse side. So we have to switch to this place. On the right side you have the compartment for the liquid detergent, the rinse side. Refill this hole to the max level. The last one, the detergent tub, open it, put inside the detergent tub with this small plastic foil, then close the compartment and you are ready to make your dishwasher. Sorry, your washing. Sorry about that. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, comment, and goodbye.